Lucy, your personal smart home superhero. While on the job, nothing escapes my sight. Day or night, with a full HD camera and active depth sensor, I detect movements and sounds around the house while providing alerts when things are amiss. With unparalleled super sensing capabilities, I can scan, detect, and avoid obstacles down to 1 inch, ensuring slippers, socks, pets, and even pet accidents never come into contact with me. Protecting and serving my family 24/7 means staying on top of things, so I'm constantly learning my surroundings, making it easy for family members to define patrol routes among the auto-recognized rooms, and set no-go zones with a Trifo home app. I wouldn't be much of a superhero if I wasn't strong. With 3,000 PA of suction and unmatched battery life, I stay sharp and ready for any mess. With great power comes great incomparability.
Neato is the ultimate cleaning machine. Corner Clever Tech gets where Circle vacuums can't. Our D-shape allows for a bigger brush and dustbin. Laser Smart technology better navigates your home over any surface. And Turbo Mode makes it the best vacuum for powerful cleaning performance, hands down. Neato. Smarter shape, smarter clean.
Hi, this is Deebot Ozmo T8 AIVI. With the upgraded AIVI technology, T8 AIVI recognizes and avoids multiple objects. You can say bye to robots getting stuck from now on. It intelligently decides how to clean around obstacles. Brand new cleaning report. You won't miss a spot. The pioneered True Mapping laser-based navigation technology maps your home 2 times the coverage and 4 times the accuracy. Three levels of suction power. No dust will be missed. Simultaneously vacuums and mops in one pass. 240 milliliter water tank for longer working time, more efficiently and effectively than others. For the first time, say hi to home from anywhere by on-demand live video stream from your moving Deebot. Deebot Ozmo T8 AIVI for a better looking home. 2020 grand launch.
Happy birthday to you!
Alexa, ask RoboVac to start cleaning.
Low battery, heading home. Charging. Finished charging, resume cleaning.